How to turn on Twitch whispers on your phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in this guide video I'm about to simply guide you on how you can actually turn on Twitch whispers on your phone. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. First of all, we simply want to make sure we have actually updated the Twitch application to the latest version. So head over to your app store, in the search box type in Twitch, and then simply go ahead and update the app to the latest version. And after we've actually updated the Twitch app, I'm going to simply open Twitch on my phone right over here. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are also logged into your account. So simply log into your account, and you can see after you log in, this is how the interface of Twitch application is actually going to look like. Now what you want to do is, from the home page of the Twitch app, on the top left hand side you would actually be able to see your Twitch profile picture. You can simply tap on the profile picture and it will show you a new menu right over here where you have options such as your subscriptions, your drops, your account settings. And what we want to do is we want to simply tap on this third option right over here which says account settings. So go ahead and tap on account settings, and as we tap on account settings, we're going to be taken to this page where you have the options to actually customize all of your account settings, your preferences, your notifications. But what we want to do is, here at the top on the fifth option, you will find an option which says security and privacy. So you can see the privacy option right over there, which is where we want to go to. So tap on security and privacy, and as you tap on security and privacy, here at the bottom you'll find an option that says block whispers from strangers, and you can see that this toggle is currently turned on. And when this toggle is currently turned on, people who are not friend on your Twitch account, or who've not actually followed your channel, or who have not actually subscribed, will not actually be able to send whispers to you, which means that our whispers are currently turned off. So what you want to do is simply uncheck this toggle right over here in order to allow whispers from all type of people on Twitch app, which means all of the strangers whoever browse Twitch will actually be able to send a whisper to you. So make sure you have that option disabled, because it is basically going to unblock all of the whispers which you receive on your Twitch. So this was the way on how you could very easily turn on Twitch whispers on phone. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.